We designed this home to fit 2 spacious apartments on a narrow lot. Despite its slim 7 meters and 24-meter footprint, each unit feels bright and airy thanks to an open-plan layout and a central light well that floods every corner with natural light. The ground floor apartment offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Take a tour of the interiors and let us know what you think in the comments.